Hello, and welcome to this video. In this video, I will be showing you how to apply modular design in MuJoCo. Previously, we have worked with separate XML files. We have modeled a conveyor belt and also a pneumatic cylinder, all separately. So in this video, I will show you how to put these separate models together in a modular fashion. Yes, so by the end of this video, we'll have a simulation, a model, a more complex model that looks just like this, using separate components multiple times. That way, it eases your design for a much more complex system. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to do that, and also how to coordinate the control program. I'll be showing you how to access the sensors from these separate systems, each of these models that you import, how to access the sensors, how to access the actuators, and then create a seamless program to control your system. So let's get started. Don't forget, if you haven't subscribed up to now, please do, because more exciting content is coming your way, and you'll be the first to know. So right now, I have imported all the previously modeled conveyor belt and pneumatic cylinder into this current project, this current tutorial. I have made a few changes to the conveyor. One major one is that I encapsulated the entire conveyor belt bodies together into a single body called conveyor, so that I could import it later on. In the previous video, while we were modeling the pneumatic cylinder, we did similar, and this is the reason why, as I mentioned in that video. So all the components, all the bodies, are encapsulated into a single body. Also, I have made another change: the light sensors. I changed them from normal to touch. This is due to a reason. The normal type required two separate bodies, one of which was not part of the conveyor body. So when importing it, you lose that other body which is not part of the conveyor. The touch sensor, on the other hand, only requires a sight, which is also part of the conveyor. Also, the meshes have been imported and placed in the meshes folder. I have prepared the main XML file where I would import these separate models. As usual, we start with the MuJoCo tag. I have MuJoCo already opened and I have imported this model, and right now, there is nothing in it. The first thing I will do is to create a visual, just to make this look better. I have used a common visual representation which is often used in several other examples made by the developers of MuJoCo. So I have done this here to create this visual appearance and also added a floor, a patterned floor, which is also common. So let's save that and see how it looks in the MuJoCo environment. Yeah, I guess you may have seen this in other videos made by the developers. So this is the scene that will be used for this video. As usual, let's create assets where we will import the two models, the conveyor and the pneumatic cylinder. Previously, we used the mesh asset, but now we're using the model asset, and all you have to do is just specify a name and define its location, like I have done here. Okay. So let's move on to the next part. As usual, again, we create a world body, and then a body within. Now, to add this model, we use the attach tag, where you specify the model name, which is the name we have provided when creating the asset, and then specify the body we wish to import. Now, this is the main reason why I have provided this name, so that we can reference it later on while importing it. So this imports this body, this entire body, and attaches it to our new model. So let's see how that looks. I have added this attachment in a body so that I can provide this positioning as I want it through the body tag. Let's go and reload this and see how it looks. Okay, so here we have it in the scene. So we'll go ahead now and import three other similar bodies. So I would import another world body, another one, and a last one. So three of these, and arrange them in a nice order. So let's go over and see how this looks. Okay, now we have the four conveyor belts all imported into the scene. So next, we'll also add a free body, which is also the box we created in the conveyor model. I'm importing it also, and it's a free one. One important thing also, for each model I have attached, I have provided a required prefix parameter. This will be added to each sensor, body, and actuator of the model being imported. Each time you import it, you need to specify a unique prefix. Let's go over and see how that works. So if you go over to the control panel, you can see that for all the actuators, now we have, for each, left, up, right, and down, which are the prefixes I specified. And for the box, I specified a free prefix. Okay, so now we add the pneumatic cylinders. I'll add them on two sides. Similarly, I will attach this to a body. I would then specify the appropriate position. Let's see this. I also do the same for the other body, and then let's reload MuJoCo. And here they are. So this actually completes the full model that I wish to design. I will end this video here, but in the next, I will give a breakdown of how to access the sensors and a clean way to write a program to control the system we've just set up. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.